This is the new setup for BIOS modding the GPUs, and I have a motherboard, power supply, and here is the SD hard drive, and we got a processor, RAM. The power supply is here. This is a 110 volt power supply, so you should be okay. And what you have to also connect is your keyboard here, and this is for the mouse, a USB mouse, wireless mouse. I'm using this, but I'm not gonna send this to you. You just need to get your own mouse and keyboard, and the HDMI for your monitor right there. Okay, and also this is the USB SMOS stick. We're not gonna put it in first when we power up. Okay, and also you need to connect your Ethernet cable. And another thing is, make sure that this cable here, which is connected to the hard drive, SD drive, is plugged in. Okay, we're gonna unplug this one later on when we test, or after we BIOS mod the GPU, and then plug in the SMOS so it could run SMOS, but that's after we modify the BIOS for the GPU. And the GPU goes to this slot right here. You have to press this down. So you press this down here, and then insert your GPU right here. And so everything is set there, so we just need the GPU, and this is the extra 12 volt power supply for the GPU. Okay, I'm gonna get the GPU now. It's right here. Here's our GPU, and we plug it in. Plug it in, make sure it's all good there. Then we take this power cable, and plug that in, and make sure that you know the serial number for the GPU is right here, and that serial number is 4944. The last 4 digits is 4944. Try to remember that. Since everything is plugged in, SMOS OS is not connected right now. We'll do it later. So this is here connected for your hard drive. So ready to go. Turn the system on. The GPU fan is running, good sign. Now Windows mining is up, and this is the program here, ATI. We run it as administrator. You gotta make sure run it as administrator, otherwise it's not gonna run properly. Okay. And first of all, as in the other video, it loads up the BIOS. This program loads up the BIOS of this GPU, so you save. We'll save this the BIOS, the original BIOS, and since I have saved it already, I'm just gonna show you which folder. BIOS, and remember 8499. What's the sub number here? 4944. Yeah, 4944 right here. See, you have the modded BIOS and the original BIOS. You're gonna save with this original BIOS. Okay. Once it's saved, you save that, and then we go to the next program, which is this Polaris BIOS. This is the program that would modify the BIOS. Double click on that. You will see this screen. Just say OK, and open the BIOS 4944, and you gotta choose the original, the one that you have saved. Okay, and open. Now there's the BIOS right there, and then do a one-click timing patch, and I'll ask you to say OK, and that's done. Then you save the new BIOS as a modded one. See, 4944. I already did this before, so it's just to show you, save it as a modded one, and once that's saved, then you're good to go. Then you could X out of this program and go back to load image, mining tools, BIOS, and look for 4944 modded. Once you click on that, you open that, and it's a 4944 modded right here, and you have to click on program. Okay, and it'll take some time, and since the version is installed already, it'll say BIOS already installed, you know. But if it's not installed, it will take about a minute or so, and it'll show you, it'll say that it's been programmed, so you're good to go. Okay, once you do that, it will actually ask you to reset this one. And before you reset it, before it's gonna reset, we gotta put in the SMOS right there, and then it's gonna reset. So it's resetting. Restart anyway, and then when it's turned off, you gotta take out this SD card so it will run SMOS right here. So I took out the SD card cable, and now it's running SMOS. It does this because of this motherboard. And the SMOS is running. It sees the card, one card. Since this has been modded already, from 21 it went to 27 mega hash. So that's good. So you got a good BIOS mod, and now it's working and the BIOS mode is good. Just turn this whole system off. Okay, once it's off, then you can take out your GPU. You turn on the light. Okay, take out the GPU, and when you take out, you have to press this little tab here, and then you can pull this whole thing out. Now your GPU is modded, and as I said, you can see the last 4 digits of the serial number is 4944. That's what I use to save the original BIOS, and also save the modded BIOS into the hard drive, into this hard drive right here. So we have that. And to get ready for the next GPU, take SMOS out, put it aside, and then make sure to put back this one, the SATA cable, and that's connected to the that's the data cable for the solid state hard drive. And now you put your GPU again, and you're ready to power up and do the mod for the next GPU. Hope it's clear. Give me a call when you've got some questions. And I made sure to tape these guys, so you will know that this is the only slot that you're going to use for modding GPUs. Thank you.